This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, in the try-catch block, we have small things pending. Let me take that first pointer. I think in the last class, try catches, how many catches are completed? Category 1 is like try with multiple catches. Guys, category 1 is what? Try with multiple catches, right? Try with multiple catches. And if you take the category 2, category 2 is what? Try with pipe symbol, right? Guys, category 2 is what? Pipe symbol, right? So using pipe symbol, we can handle one exception, multiple exception. We can handle the multiple exceptions, right? Two exceptions, three exceptions, like that. We can handle the multiple exceptions, guys. And the category 3 is like try with resources concept, guys. Yes, try with resources and this pipe symbol, these two concepts are there from Java 7th version onwards. Guys, try with resources and try with resources and what? And the pipe symbol which is there from Java 7th version, right? Exactly. That's what the try with resources says. Coming to try with resources, guys, if you take the scanner class, generally, scanner class means what? Once if you are reading the data from the console, after reading the data, definitely we have to close the scanner object, right? Guys, after reading the data, definitely we have to close the scanner object or not. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Assume like if you forget to close the scanner, then you'll get some issue at production environment, right? So then definitely you got some issues, guys. If you didn't close the scanner, right? Is that in that case? Because if you declare the resource using try block, so try block, in the try block you can take the parenthesis, guys. Try here parenthesis. Try you can take the resource. Which resource I want to take here? Scanner resource. Scanner s equal to what? New scanner of. Yes, scanner s equal to what? New without catch also, guys. Even catch is also not required. Scanner s equal new scanner of. Scanner s equal new scanner of system.in, right? Exactly. Yes, scanner is a resource. I taken a scanner resource using try block. Once if we took the scanner resource using try block, once the try block is completed, once the try block is completed, this resource automatically closed, guys. Okay, for the point, guys, the only advantage of the try with resources are what? Declare the resource using try block. Once if you declare this resource using try block, once the try block is completed, the resource automatically released, guys. Guys, the resource automatically released, right? That is the advantage. We don't need to close the scanner, guys. We don't need to close the scanner, right? Exactly. Guys, the system dot out dot println of give the message like enter a number, enter a number. So here enter some number, guys. Get that number. Scanner dot the method is called what? Next int method you can reach. So it can store the data using int number variable. Yeah, number variable. Just you can try to print the data. So system dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of again system dot out dot println of just I'm printing the number, right? That's all, guys. And scanner class belongs which package? So import java dot util dot star, right? That's it, guys. Java dot util dot star. Then you can compile this code, guys. Guys, once the try block is completed, this scanner resource, this resource automatically closes, guys. We no need to close exclusively, right? Yes, we no need to close what exclusively. That's it clear now. In compile this code, definitely code is compiled fine. Code is compiled fine. Java class is which class, guys? Here, guys, with the class name test class, right? See the output here. Enter a number. Enter a number. Enter some triple one. We got the output is triple one, right? It's not a problem. Guys, this is a syntax of the try catch. Try with resources, guys. Guys, we observe like try catch is valid syntax, right? Try catch is valid syntax. Try with resources also valid syntax, guys. Do you have any catch block here?
No.
Guys, do you have any catch block here? Without catch block also it is working fine, right?
Yes.
Guys, without catch also it is working good or not? So try with the
Resources.
try with resources also valid syntax, guys. And even try finally also valid syntax, right? Guys,
Yes.
try catch is valid syntax. Try with resources are valid syntax. Try catch finally is also valid syntax, right? Guys,
Yes.
try catch finally is also valid. So try catch is valid syntax. Try with resources valid syntax, and try finally is also valid syntax. Guys, are you clear now? Good. And see, guys, can I take one more resource here? File input stream class. Let's file input stream class. If you take file input stream FIS equal to New file input stream. As we know that file input stream class throws which exception, guys? Guys, file input stream class throws which exception?
File
File
not
not found.
found actually.
Yeah.
File not found.
Previously, we took the scanner class. Scanner class means they doesn't throws any exception. It's not a problem. It's not throwing any checked exception. But the file input stream throws which exception? File not found exception, right?
Yes.
File input stream throws the file not found exception, and the file not found exception is a checked exception, unchecked exception.
Check the exception.
Checked exception. In that case, yeah. In that case, guys, if the resource is throwing the checked exception, if resource is throwing the exception, basically, yes, if you compile this application, definitely it's asking like, can please handle the file not found exception. Observe carefully, guys, because the file is not available. Maybe if the file is not available, we got the file not found exception. See, guys, file not found exception you have to handle. Because generally we have to handle the file not found exception. But in the below, if you see, it is showing IO exception. Why, guys? Generally, file input stream throws which exception of file not found exception, right? Then why this IO exception raised means internally, yeah, exception thrown, guys. See this message here, exception thrown from, exception thrown from what?
Implicit.
Guys, exception thrown from implicit call to close method, right? Guys, what the meaning of this line? Internally it is calling close method or not?
Yes.
Guys, once this is a proof for that. If you are declaring the resource using try block, once the try block is completed, resource automatically closed. Automatically closed means we are not going to close, someone is going to close internally. If someone is going to close internally, then we even though that guy is internally closing, but we have to handle that exception, right? Guys, see that observation once. Actually, implicitly it is closing. Implicitly it is closing means what? Even that internally that guy closed the except that guy closed the file, but that method is throwing which exception? No, IO exception, right? That exception has to handle by developer again. Guys, yes or no? So finally we understood that internally it is calling the close method to close the resources, right?
So
Guys,
why do we
internally.
need to use, why do we need to close the input streams? Like in the previous example also, I have seen many other examples also, but I've never got the answer of this. Why do we need to close this?
That is the resources basically. Resources in the sense, file input stream will make the communication channel between the your Java file to text file, where the text file is there with hard disk, right?
Yes.
It's making the communication channel between the file to the corresponding Java application, right? Now, first of all, when I'm making this connection, then what happened? This connection is open mode. In connection is open mode means what? Until if you close this channel, you're able to read the data from that file, right? We are able to
Yes.
read the data from
Yes.
the file. That's what if you close the channel, the connection will be closed. Once the connection will be closed means what? We are unable to read the data from the that is simply the communication channel. We have to close the channel once the communication is completed.
Okay, so
Even
does not this get
mm,
so does not it get closed itself by itself? I mean, when we close the program or application.
no, it will close, but when it is in the network means you'll get the issues basically. So when in a network in big applications, definitely we have to get some issues basically. That's what once the resource is open, we have to close that resource
Okay.
because to get the data is very simple to if the communication channel is open.
I mean, it's a Java rule to open and close the connection.
Yeah. Once if you make the communication, once it is done, close the communication.
Close the connection. So do we have any classes related to this file input stream class? I mean,
Yeah,
in
one
the coming
topic is
future.
a complete separate topic is there.
Okay, sir.
File input stream, file output stream, buffer input stream, buffer output stream, buffer reader, buffer writer. So we have separate file reader, file writer. We have separate concept, but try to understand. Okay, file input stream is trying to read the file from abc.txt file. Read the data from abc.txt file. It's throwing some file not found exception. Just as of now, remember these points. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Guys, this file input stream, it's throwing which exception here? File not found exception. And even it is throwing the file not found exception, and it even throwing IO exception also, right? Guys, throwing which exception, IO exception. That's what here catch block is mandatory, optional guys. Catch block is mandatory, right? That's what guys. Can I handle IO exception? Because IO exception is a parent class, guys. File not found exception is a child class. Guys, IO exception is a parent class. File not found exception is child class. So that can I take simple IO exception? So it can handle file not found exception also. Hmm? It can handle what? File not found exception also, right? That's it, guys. The system dot out dot, yeah, system dot out dot printer now. So see, yeah. So if you only can print the stack trace simply. So e dot print stack trace to know where the exact exception lies. These are it clear now. Then code is compiled fine. So definitely code is compiled fine. Java class is which class here? Test class, right? Yes, we got the clarity. Like implicitly it is calling the close method, right? Yeah, because it is right in file not an exception. Yes, because this file is not available, right? abstract.txt file. These are it clear now. That is which concept, guys. Try with the resources concept. Guys, in interview, they'll ask one more question. How it is close releasing the resource automatically? Guys, the first point is what? Declare the resource using try block. Once the try block is completed, declare the resource using try block, guys. Try block. Once the try block is completed, the resource is automatically released. Once the try block is completed, the resource automatically released. How it released automatically means it internal uses, guys. How it release automatically? How it release automatically means it internal uses which interface, guys, here? Auto closable interface, guys. Okay. Guys, what the point here? Internal implementing which interface here? Auto closable interface, right? That's what, guys. To check the predefined support of scanner class, Java P, Java data util data scanner class. So here internally scanner class implementing from, yes, internally scanner class implementing from auto closable interface. See, these are the methods which is belongs to scanner class, guys. To check the predefined support of scanner class, we are using Java P command. Yeah, Java P command, Java P command. Now we can see this message here. Yeah. See, guys, it is implementing which interface here? Closable interface. Basically, yeah. So public final class, you Java data scanner here implements. So Java data scanner, guys, implementing which interface here? Iterator, implementing the closable interface, guys. If you check the closable interface, again you can see, guys. Again we can see like Java P command, Java P, Java.io.closable. The scanner class implementing the closable. Closable is extending which interface, guys? Auto closable. And this is a close method which is from the auto closable interface by default. Guys, if you want, you can check the close method. Java P Java.auto closable interface. This auto closable interface is the root interface, guys, which contains the close method. Guys, observe one point here. My scanner class implementing which interface? Closable interface extending out auto closable interface. Basically, the close method is from which interface, guys? Here, auto closable interface, right? Exactly, guys. Once we declare the resource using try block, one declare the resource using try block, guys. Once the try block is completed, resource released automatically. How it release automatically means it is using, it is internal uses what? Auto closable interface, guys. Guys, internally it uses which interface? Auto closable interface, right? Exactly. That auto closable interface contains which method, guys? Close method. Guys, internet is using which interface? Auto closable interface, right? Exactly. Yeah, this method is invoked automatically, guys. Point is what? Closes this resource. What is point, guys? That point here. What is the name, guys? Really, what? Rani. Rani is there? Yes, Rani is there. Rani, tell me what this line? Real English medium
Relinquishing.
student.
Relinquishing.
Relinquishing. What is the meaning of that?
So you can Google.
Rani is thinking. Ratan sir, if you don't know how to pronounce that, how you written that line? And that is your question.
I think Rani cannot hear us. Or she is muted.
Rani is busy with eating, it seems. Rani busy with tiffin, breakfast. It's fine, guys, but hey, how I written the code? This is copied from API documentation. API documentation. When I show the API documentation, close these resources, relinquishing and
To
any
stop
unsigned.
manually. It's meaning for to stop manually. Relinquishing.
Yeah, to stop manually, automatically.
Manually.
Not manually, man, automatically it seems.
Okay.
Guys, if you want, I'll show that API documentation once. That line I copied from API documentation. So you can take the Java 8 API, something like this. Yeah, Java 8 API. We are taking which interface, guys? Auto closable interface. Auto closable interface by default belongs to java.lang package. Java.lang package. Let me click on java.lang package, which is like interface, auto closable interface. This is interface, guys. See this one. Oh, these main number of sub interfaces are there, and these main number of sub implementation classes are there. It means in these all, yeah, see guys, these all are implementation classes. It means in these all classes are implementing the auto closable interface to close the resources automatically. It means in these all classes the file is automatically closed. Out of these all classes, we have the scanner class, we have the file input stream class. If you want, you can check it out. I think this is a file input stream class is there, and somewhere scanner class also there, you can try it. See that scanner class. Yeah, this is a scanner class. Like this scanner class and file input stream class, how many classes we have, guys, to close resource automatically? These main number of classes are there. Out of this main number of classes, scanner and file input stream is the one of the class, two of the classes. Guys, are it clear now? Yeah, see guys here, this object, yeah, an object that may hold resources until it is closed. The close method of an auto close interface called automatically. This object is called automatically when exiting the try the resources block, and the object has been and the resource specified header. Where is the method summary, guys? Yeah. See, this is the data card. Close the resources, relinquishing any underlying sources, right? Yeah, this is the message I copied basically. Close these resources, underlying this method is invoked automatically. This method is invoked automatically an object managed by the try with resources statement, right? Okay, this method is called automatically. That object is managed by try with resources statement, right? So try with resources statement. Guys, you got the clarity about these 3 points, right? Declare the resource using try block, guys. Once the try block is completed, resource automatically released. First one. Second one is what? How it is releasing automatically because of auto closable interface. So the auto closable interface, like the method is automatically called, right? The close method is automatically called, guys. Guys, are you clear about the try the resources concept? Yeah. So only try the resource also valid syntax, guys. If the resource not throwing any exception, so catch block is required or not required? Catch block is not required, right? Exactly. Guys, what about case 2 here? If the resource is throwing exception, catch block is mandatory because file input stream throws which exception, guys? Final point exception, right? Exactly. Guys, using try block, you can declare multiple resources also. See, guys, the scanner is equal new scanner and file input stream also, right? So every resource is separated the semicolon. Guys, try with the resources. Declare the resource using try block. Once the try block is completed, resource automatically released. Sir, how it is releasing automatically? Because of auto closable interface. Auto closable interface contains which method, guys? Close method, right? It is automatically implicitly called the close method automatically. Is it clear? If the resource is not throwing any exception, you declare the try with resource is not throwing exception, catch is not required. If resource is throwing the exception, because I took the file input stream resource. File input stream resource throws which exception? File not found exception. So mandatory we have to handle the mandatory we have to handle which exception, guys? Guys, mandatory we have to handle which exception? File not found exception, right? So file not found exception, guys. Exactly. Guys, using the try block, you can declare one resource or multiple resources. Multiple resources, guys. Every resource is separated the semicolon, right? Out of multiple resources, guys, in multiple resources, if at least one resource throws exception, at least one resource throws exception is catch block is mandatory, right? Yes, at least one resource throws exception. Catch block is what definitely mandatory, right? Exactly, guys. That's the category number 3 regarding try with the resources concept. Is that clear now? Good. Guys, next one is the possibilities of try catches, guys. Guys, possibilities of try catches. First possibility is you can take the try catch block. That's it. Only try, one catch. One try, one catch. Second one is what? You can write the try catch. Guys, try catch. And see, guys, you can write the try catch. Again, you can take your code, normal code. Again, you can write the try catch, right? Guys, try catch, you can take the normal code. Again, you can take the try catch. Exactly. What is case 3 here? Case 3, if you take the try catch, guys, case 3 is what? Try, catch, catch. Try with multiple catches, right? Guys, case 1 is only try catch. Case 2 is what? Try catch. You can write the normal code, again try catch, right? Case 3 is what? Try catch, catch, right? Guys, case 3 is what? Try catch, catch. Guys, are you clear now? Try catch, catch, right? Exactly. Case 4, guys. Case 4 is like try is there. Inside the try also we can put the try catch. This is called nested try catch, right? No problem. Guys, inside the try block, you can write the try catch, right? It's not a problem. And case 5. Case 5 is like try catch. Even inside the catch also we can write the try catch, guys. Guys, inside the catch also we can write what? Try catches, right? Exactly. Inside the catch also we can put the try catch, guys. Exactly. Case number 6. Guess case 5 is case 4 is what? Inside the try, written the try catch. Case 5 is what? Inside the catch, I written the try catch. Case 6 is what? Inside the try, I write the try catch. Guys, inside the try, I can write the try catch. Inside the catch also, I can write the try catch, right? Yeah, that is called nested try catch, guys. Guys, you try to write one example about a nested try catch. But I will tell you the flow of execution about a nested try catch. Guys, possibilities are clear, right? That is called category number 4, possibilities of try catches, guys. Possibilities of what? Try catches. Total 6 possibilities are there. Try catch, catch also try catch, right? Yeah, that's all about done with the try catch block syntaxes, guys. Guys, I think we already done this point, right? Which one here? Category, different ways to print the exception information. We already done these points. Okay, good, guys. Guys, now tell me. See this code, guys, once. Yeah, see this code once. Statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18 is there. Guys, total how many statements are there? Guys, total how many statements are there?
17
Let me reduce the
statements.
fonts. 18 statements. I
18.
reduce the font size. Yeah, 18 statements are there. Okay, fine. Make it 14. Click on OK. Yeah, 18 statements are there. Guys, out of 18 statements, there is no exception at all. Out of 18 statements are error free, exception free. Out of 18 statements are exception free, then what are the statements are executed? Tell me. Guys, 18 statements, there is no exception. If 18 statement there is no exception, then what is the output you will get? Guys, are you clear now what I'm saying? 18 statement there is no exception, then how many statements are executed? Tell me.
The 10 statements.
What are the statements? Tell me the statements.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 automatically execute, right? Because the try blocks are automatically executed. So 1 to 6 will be executed, guys. After 1 to 6, next one is what? 15, 16, right?
Finally,
15, 16, 17, 18 also execute, right?
17, 18.
Yeah, this application is normal termination, abnormal termination.
The
Guys,
normal
this
termination.
application, normal termination, abnormal termination.
Normal termination.
Normal termination, right? Exactly. This exam is definitely normal termination, right? There's a case one, guys. Case one is
So
what?
11, 12 will be executed or not? 11, 12.
No, because the country is not entered in catch block, right? That a try is there inside the catch, right? That's
Okay,
what we
okay,
do.
okay. Okay. It is in different catch block. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, next case you can tell me. Exception raised in statement 2. What is the output now? Guys, exception raised in statement 2. What is the output now?
One, 2, and 17, 18. First, second statement, and last 17 and 18.
Exception raised in statement 2 means one executed. After one,
Second one,
Finally,
finally is not executed. First and
why?
second, because
finally
we are
will
not entered. We are not entered try block.
Exception AND is not started, right? So there is no chance of executing finally block. Is that 17, 18 executed or not executed? It is not. This application is normal termination or abnormal termination?
Abnormal.
Abnormal termination is 17, 18 executed or not executed. Rest of the application. Rest of the application.
Not executed.
Rest of the application is not executed. The output in this case, guys.
Only first statement will be.
Only first statement will be output. Yes, case 3 can see exception raised in statement 3. Exception raised in the statement 3. Catch is not mad. Catch is matched, guys. What do I put tell me now? Exception raised in statement 3. Catch is matched. Guys, exception raised in statement 3. Catch is matched. Statement 3 is in a try or outer try? Guys, statement 3 is in a try or outer try?
Statement is inside the trace.
Inner try, outer try. It's like outer try,
Outer.
right?
Yes.
Outer try means catch block is matched. Catch block is matched means outer catch is matched. What's the output now? What is the output?
Exception is which statement?
I repeated almost 7-8 times, man.
Sir, it's quite confusing, you know.
Exception is in statement 3. Catch is matched.
Nested try catch are there.
1, 2, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Why 13, 14?
13, 14.
That
Sorry,
is there in
11,
catch
12.
block.
10, 11,
Inside
12,
that catch.
15, 16, 17, 18.
15, 16?
17, 18.
Oh. What do I put tell me, guys? Exception by in the statement 3, catch is matched. What do I put now? 1, 2 executed.
Except 3, 4, 5, 6. Except 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8 executed.
No, except 3, 4, 5, 6.
Except 3, 4, 5, 6 means you said like 7, 8 also executed.
7, 8. No,
No,
7,
sir.
8 also. Except 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
13, 14 executed.
Remaining.
Yeah, 13, 14 will execute. No?
Why,
Right
man?
block,
This is a
13. 13, 14 is not out.
You said all are not executed, then you said like except 2, 3, 4, 5. Then that's what except
No.
like tell me the answer for the normal way. Guess what the output now? The output will be correct answer is like 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, guys. 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, and what? 18 also execute, right? Exactly. Because it's a normal termination, guys. Because catch block is matched, right? The catch
So
block is
please
matched.
repeat. 1, 2, 9, 10.
What you said correct, man. You tell me the answer.
Okay. 1, 2, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18.
That is correct only.
Okay.
Good. Yes, exception raised in the statement 4, catch is not matched.
Now, exception raised in statement 4, catch is not matched. Exception raised in statement 4, catch is not matched.
1, 2, 3, and 9, 8, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18.
What is 9, 8, man, first of all?
Sir, 1, 2, 3,
9,
15,
10,
16, 17, 18, sir. Their catch is
Hmm.
not matched,
1,
right?
2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Guys, one guy is talking, remaining guys, don't disturb, please. Once that guy is completed, tell me the remaining guys answer. Okay, fine. Tell me, guys, what do I output now?
Sir, 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
15,
3.
16,
15.
15, 16, 17, 18, sir.
Guys, still this much explanation complete, still you are saying wrong answers. So that application is normal termination, abnormal termination.
It's an abnormal termination.
Sir, it will be an abnormal termination.
How the 17, 18 executed, man? You said abnormal termination, but you are saying 17, 18 is output again. Guys, what is the output now? What is the output now?
1, 2, 3, 15, 16, sir. Remaining rest of the code will not execute right in abnormal termination.
Rest of the code is not executed in abnormal termination. Right? Guys, the output of
Yeah,
this
1, 2,
example 1, 2, 3, 15, 16 abnormal termination. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 15, 16. Guys, please mute, man. Yeah.
So the finary block means the code will every time executed. The
Finally,
code
the
inside
code
the
execute all irrespective of track access. Next case, exception raised in the statement 5, catch is matched. Now, exception raised in statement 5, catch is matched.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,
5
8.
exception raised, man.
Sorry. Then 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 is correct. Okay.
15, 16, 17, 18.
Guys, that is the correct one only. What's the output now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, exception raised inner try.
7, 8.
That's why inner catch is matched. 7, 8 inner catch is executed, right? Exception raised here means
Yes.
what? This is like inner catch. Inner catch execute. Inner catch means what? 7, 8, right? Exactly. Next case.
7, 8, 15, 16, 17, 18.
15, 16, 17, 18, right? That's all, guys. Very clear now. There's one more last case. Tell me, exception raised in statement 16. No? Guys, exception raised in statement 16.
It will be an abnormal termination, sir.
Exception.
1,
Yeah,
2, 3,
fine. But some
4.
of the statements will execute, right? That's what I'm asking.
Okay.
Statements tell me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6.
Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that.
Then 15.
Then 15, exactly. Then abnormal termination, right?
Then abnormal termination.
Yeah, because 16 we got the issue, right? So then what are the final output, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15, right? 15 abnormal
15.
termination.
15.
Exactly, guys. Yes, last case you can tell me exception raised in statement 18. Now what is output? Exception raised in statement 18.
Continuing with the previous example, after statement 15, 16 will be executed, then 17 will be executed, and at 18 it will be an abnormal termination.
Yeah, we got the output like 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15, 16, 17, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, these are all of the cases. Basically, you try to check these all the cases, guys. Once that's all be done with the exception handling. Total how many keywords are completed, guys? Total we done with like 4 keywords, guys. We done the type block, we done the catch block, we done the finally block, we done the throws keyword. Guys, I need one more class to complete exceptionally. That class will meet on Monday. Monday we will complete this exceptionally, guys. We'll complete the throw keyword and we'll complete exceptionally. Is it
Okay, sir,
clear
will
now?
there be a new link? Ratan sir, will there be a new link for the class or same link will work?
New link means same link will work. That I have to check. There may be
Every time. Okay. And sir, please can you tell us what is framework?
I'll tell you definitely. Give me some tomorrow, next Monday class.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sir, can you upload the yesterday video class?
I'll upload everything with you. Try to check after that today. But today evening we'll
Okay,
get all the
Yesterday video has been uploaded already.
yesterday video already uploaded with you.
Yeah.
No, I
But day,
didn't.
day before yesterday is not uploaded.
Did you receive?
You can check it on Google Drive.
Or on protected, I'm asking about this video clip, not protected text.
I'm asking about video clip only. You're
Yeah.
asking video, right?
Yes, sir.
You're asking video. Did you subscribe the channel?
Yes, sir. I have received till 23 packages and modifiers I have received till, but exception handling I have not received any one.
No, yesterday is uploaded.
I will check once again, sir. I will refresh it and check.
Yeah. Today check it, and by today evening you'll get that all the videos. If you didn't get, just you can call to office number. Then he'll upload the video. Any questions
Okay,
about
sir.
that?
So please,
Otherwise,
so there's one concern.
Ah,
Ratan sir, sometimes videos are uploaded in the middle of the night, so it will become very difficult for us to attend the next class, because before attending the class, I always watch the videos in order to just recall all the
okay.
things.
Because they have some other work, right? That's what they maybe upload late. But anyhow, that day,
Yes,
the end
yes.
of the day, we'll upload. We will see. Yeah. Bye,
Okay,
guys.
sir. Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Bye-bye.